Are you looking for a great home in Clarksville, Tennessee? Welcome to 546 Jacquet Drive. It's located just 10 minutes from Fort Campbell, Gate 10, 15 minutes from downtown Clarksville, and 20 minutes from the shops and restaurants over in Wilma Rudolph Boulevard. Outside, you've got a well-manicured lawn and landscaped flower beds. Inside has a lot of recent updates, including within the last couple of years. They've removed all of the carpet and installed the LVT flooring. It's an open concept with the dining area, very detailed ceiling, a nice nook area for when you are dining, opens out, and then your 3 bedrooms are all going to be back off of the living room. If you haven't noticed, they've also applied fresh paint, so it's ready for you to come add your creativity to the walls. That's the first guest bedroom. Here is the guest bathroom. It is a full bath. Directly off of this bathroom is a closet. Currently it's got a rack for hanging coats, but you could easily add shelving and turn it into a linen closet. Here's the second guest bedroom. And your primary bedroom has 2 closets. One is a walk-in closet. There's your second closet, and it has its own private bathroom. And then we'll go back through the kitchen to go to the backyard. The kitchen's been updated with quartz counters, a tile backsplash, and a stone farmhouse sink. New faucet. All this has been done within the past, the floor and the sink and stuff, within the past 2 to 3 years. Laundry room, washer and dryer remain, and your level backyard. Give me a call to set up a tour.